So here we have all Kellogg's Cornflakes commercial with Cornelius Rooster. Anyways, please like and subscribe this video.
Kellogg's Cornflakes presents Cornelius Rooster. Nothing gets you crowing in the morning like Kellogg's Cornflakes, part of this complete breakfast. Kellogg's Cornflakes presents Cornelius Rooster. Nothing gets you crowing in the morning like Kellogg's Cornflakes. Part of this complete breakfast. Kellogg's Cornflakes presents Cornelius Rooster. Nothing gets you crowing in the morning like Kellogg's Cornflakes. Part of this complete breakfast. Kellogg's Cornflakes presents Cornelius Rooster. Nothing gets you crowing in the morning like Kellogg's Cornflakes. Part of this complete breakfast. Kellogg's Cornflakes presents Cornelius Rooster. Nothing gets you crowing in the morning like Kellogg's Cornflakes. Part of this complete breakfast. Kellogg's Cornflakes presents Cornelius Rooster. Nothing gets you crowing in the morning like Kellogg's Cornflakes. Part of this complete breakfast. Another Kellogg's Cornflakes morning with Cornelius Rooster. Nothing gets you crowing in the morning like the crisp corn taste of Kellogg's Cornflakes. They're part of your complete breakfast.
Have you heard the bird's the word? Spread the word. It's cornflakes. Crispy quirks is the rule. When it's breakfast time, Kellogg's Cornflakes are cool.
Kids are spreading the word. The taste of Kellogg's Cornflakes is a taste for them. They're a crunchy part of their complete breakfast.
The Kellogg's